Hello students, today I am going to deal with the topic isolating mechanism. Firstly, we have to understand about isolation. Isolation is the segregation of the population of a species into smaller units or sections, or the segregation of individuals of different species by certain mechanisms that prevent interbreeding among them and help in maintaining their independent gene pools. Both structural and behavioral modifications that prevent interbreeding are known as isolating mechanisms. Thus, we can say that isolation helps in splitting the species into separate groups and their evolution into distinct species, and thus help in the evolution of a new species. Isolating mechanism can be classified into two main categories. One is the pre-mating mechanisms and second one is the post-mating mechanisms. Further, pre-mating mechanisms are divided into 8 categories: geographic isolation, isolation due to distances, climatic isolation, seasonal isolation, habitat isolation, behavioral isolation, mechanical isolation, and physiological isolation. Whereas the post-mating mechanisms are further divided into 5 categories: the gametic motility, zygote motility, hybrid inviability, hybrid sterility, and F2 breakdown. In this section, I will discuss about the pre-mating mechanisms. Geographic isolation. Geographic isolation plays an important role in allopatric speciation by preventing members of different populations of a species to come together and to interbreed. In geographic isolation, two populations of same species are separated by some physical or geographic barrier, or they occupy different geographic areas. These barriers may be mountain ranges, deserts, thick forests, land bridges or water bodies, etc. Because of this barrier, individuals of these separated populations have no chance to meet and interbreed. This greatly reduces the genes exchange between them. This leads to genetic divergence. In course of time, each segregated population forms an independent species. Isolation due to distance. The members of widely distributed species which occupy a large territory without any natural barrier have been found to be reproductively isolated because of the distance between them. Actually, the distance between these species are very large. The simple reason of their isolation is their inability to cover long distances. Climatic isolation. In the absence of any geographic barrier, the abrupt climatic differences within the range of distribution of a species are found to produce isolation of its members into units. The climatic factors may be temperature, moisture, mineral concentration, and chemical composition of the surroundings. This directly influences the metabolism and produces physiological differences in the organism. Seasonal isolation or temporal isolation. In this type of isolation, differences in the breeding season prevent mating and interbreeding among individuals of different populations and of different species. seasonal isolation is very common in plants and frequently occurs in insects and certain other invertebrates. Ecological isolation. This type of isolation is caused due to differences in the habit and habitats of organisms because they have different resource requirements. The populations isolated environmentally but living in the same general area develop habitat isolation, especially during their reproductive period. This isolation enhances other isolating mechanisms between sympatric populations. Behavioral isolation. The prerequisite for the union of male and female gametes is that the sexes need to enable fertilization to occur. The males of every species have specific courtship behaviors, and only females of the same species are receptive to these displays. These specific behaviors of males towards females are known as species recognition. The act of mating is completed only when there is appropriate exchange of stimuli. Therefore, the behavioral isolation refers to the barriers to mating among the individuals of different species due to differences in their courtship behavior. This has been because of the visual stimuli, the auditory stimuli, or the chemical stimuli. Mechanical isolation. In animals with internal fertilization, the male and female copulatory organs are very complex and different in different species. The male copulatory organs of one species do not fit in the copulatory organ of other species. This does not permit copulation among different species. Like the genitalia in insects are developed on lock and key principle. That is, the male and female genitalia are so exactly fitted to each other that even slight deviation in structure of their renders copulation impossible, and that interspecific crosses in Drosophila and also in Glossina may cause injury or even death to the female. Mechanical isolation was considered to be an effective barrier to crossing in some organisms, but is not applicable to all. Physiological isolation. Certain species are established only on the basis of some physiological differences developed between them. For example, in certain species of Drosophila, mating among the members of different species is not possible because vaginal mucous membranes swells up after copulation. The swelling lasts for few hours if mating is among the members of the same species, but continues for days if the mating is interspecific. As a result, the fertilized egg perished in the parent body in the absence of being laid down. Similarly, in plants, the pollen grains from some other species, when fall on the stigma of other species, fail to grow and are perished.